At exactly 2:17 a.m., Arab's phone lit up. Unknown number. He ignored it and turned over. A second later, again, unknown number. Annoyed, he picked up. Hello? Silence. Then, faint breathing. Not from the phone, from behind him. He froze. Slowly he turned toward his bedroom door. It was slightly open now. He was sure he had locked it. The call disconnected. His phone buzzed again. This time, a message. Why didn't you check behind you the first time? His heart pounded. He didn't dare move. Another message came in instantly. I'm still here. The lights went out. In the darkness, his phone screen was the only glow left. One final message appeared. Turn around.